Hello everyone, and welcome back to DelftStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable exFAT support for your USB drives and how to check your hard drive temperature. So, important update, the old tools exfat-fuse and hddtemp have been removed or deprecated in modern Ubuntu. So today we are installing the official modern replacement, which is exfatprogs and smartmontools. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to install the software. Since the old packages are obsolete, we're using the new standard. So all you do is simply open your terminal by going to the Apps menu over here, then Terminal. Now in your terminal, just simply copy and paste the simple commands that are provided to you in the description box below. So copy the first command and paste it right over here. Paste sudo apt update, then hit enter. Then enter your password, and after that, just wait for it, and then paste the second command. So paste it right over here. Paste sudo apt install exfat-fuse exfatprogs smartmontools-y, and hit enter. Now, the moment you press enter, it installs exfatprogs, the modern way to read exFAT drives, and smartmontools, the professional tool for disk health. Now that we have the tools, checking drive temperature is easy. We use the smartctl command. So just simply copy and paste the command from the description box below. So paste right over here. Paste sudo smartctl space -a space /dev/sda space pipe symbol space grep space temperature. Now I'll explain what is happening in this command. So over here, the first segment of the command right over here gets a full health report of your main drive, and the second part of the command filters out all the noise and just shows you the heat reading. Then just simply hit enter. And when you press enter, you should see a line like temperature_Celsius followed by a number like 35 or 40. That's your drive's live temperature. Now, on my system, the sensor is hidden, but in your real computer, this will show the exact degrees Celsius. And so that's it. You have successfully updated your system with modern disk tools. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.